They say there are two seasons in Colorado: winter and road work. Road maintenance season in Castle Rock runs from April through September. That's when the Castle Rock Public Works Department unleashes its Pavement Maintenance Program, or PMP, to make repairs and help keep our streets smooth and safe. Generally, there are three types of repair and maintenance projects. The first and most common is called slurry seal.
Crews patch the road and then spread a sealant mixture over the asphalt. It keeps water out and extends the life of the pavement. The second type of roadwork repair is called an asphalt overlay. When a road has more significant damage, crews make repairs, then the road gets a new layer of asphalt. And last, reconstruction projects. Sometimes the town has to rebuild roads because of severe damage.
Each year, the PMP crews identify several primary roads around town that need the most work. Staff presents the proposal and budget to Town Council for consideration and approval. As for neighborhoods, the town focuses road maintenance on one of 5 different areas. Those areas are rotated on an annual basis to minimize impacts and reduce costs. To help plan your day around cone zones, visit crgov.com/PMP. There you'll find more information about the program, the 5-year rotation, and a current schedule. Plus, check your mailbox or front door. We'll make sure to let you know when we'll be on your street. Here's the plan for this season, the road construction of 2018. Crews will be working along Prairie Hawk Drive, Plum Creek Boulevard, Woodlands Boulevard, as well as portions of Wilcox Street. Meadows Parkway between Prairie Hawk Drive and US 85 will be reconstructed. After that, crews will also do some work on Meadows Boulevard. In residential areas, crews will be focusing on the east side of town. That includes streets in the Founders Village and Castlewood Ranch neighborhoods. In all, the town will repair and improve more than 95 lane miles of pavement this year. Work is expected to wrap up by August.
So buckle up and get ready for better roads ahead with a little help from Castle Rock Public Works and crgov.com.